What if I told you that ancient Greeks may have built the world's first analog computer over 2,000 years ago? A device so advanced it could predict eclipses, planetary alignments, and even Olympic Games. A machine hidden beneath the sea for 2,000 years. Corroded, broken, nearly forgotten. This isn't science fiction. It's a true story. And it all starts with a shipwreck. In 1901, sponge divers near the Greek island of Antikythera stumbled upon the remains of an ancient Roman-era cargo ship. Among the statues and pottery, they found a corroded lump of bronze and wood. At first glance, it looked worthless. But inside that lump was a discovery that would shake the scientific world to its core. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, the most mysterious machine ever discovered. Scientists were baffled. The gears, cogs, and inscriptions weren't just random. They had purpose, precision, intelligence. The mechanism had at least 30 bronze gears, some with tiny, perfect teeth, all hand-cut. It was capable of modeling the movement of the sun, the moon, and 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Let that sink in. Over 2,000 years ago, someone built a mechanical model of the solar system. It's like finding an iPhone inside an Egyptian tomb. For decades, scientists argued, was it real? Could it be a hoax? How could ancient people possibly have this knowledge? Then X-rays changed everything. In 2005, researchers scanned the mechanism using 3D imaging. What they found stunned everyone. Inside were inscriptions in ancient Greek, a user manual of sorts, explaining how to use it. It predicted lunar and solar eclipses. It showed the phases of the moon. It even had a dial for tracking Olympic Games. This wasn't just a tool. It was a computer, a calendar, a planetarium. And it was built in an era where most people believed the Earth was flat. Who created this? And how did this technology vanish for 1,500 years? Some credit Archimedes. Others believe it was built by unknown genius engineers in Rhodes or Alexandria. But what's more terrifying is not that we don't know who made it. It's that there could have been more like it. Hundreds, maybe thousands, lost to time. If we hadn't found the Antikythera mechanism by accident, we might never have known this level of engineering ever existed. And here's where it gets really strange. The gearing system uses a mathematical concept called a differential, not seen again until the 16th century. It used epicyclic gearing, meaning gears that rotate within gears, like something out of a mechanical watch. All this made without modern tools, lasers, electricity, or even magnifying lenses. It challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. Could civilizations before us have been more advanced than we imagined? Could this be evidence of a lost era of high-tech knowledge? Or was this the isolated brilliance of a single mind, a Da Vinci of the ancient world? To this day, we still don't fully understand how it was made. But we do know this: it worked. It was real, and it should not have existed. Scientists are still recreating the mechanism using 3D models, trying to uncover more secrets. Some believe we've only scratched the surface, that parts of the mechanism are still missing, that it might have had more functions we'll never know. This wasn't just gears and metal. This was knowledge, encoded, mechanical knowledge, preserved in bronze. A message across time saying, we were smarter than you think. And maybe we still have much more to discover. You've been watching Deep Core Facts. Subscribe for more stories that shake the foundations of what we know. Until next time, stay curious.